In this video, we will introduce the music features of the T5 host. After pairing the T5 host with the phone, we open the music player. Function button. Click the function button once again to pause the music. Click the function button once to start the music. These are the volume up button and volume down button. Click the volume up button to increase the volume. Click the volume down button to decrease the volume. These are the volume up button and volume down button. Click the volume down button twice to skip to the next track. Click the volume up button twice to skip to the previous track.